Pyramids 1 Loft Race. Throughout history, pigeons have carried the messages of kings. Today, they carry the spirit of champions. For centuries, pigeons have been a symbol of speed, endurance, and loyalty. And now, the world's finest racing pigeons gather for the ultimate test. Welcome to the Pyramids 1 Loft Race, where legends are made and history is written. This is not just a race. It's a true test of endurance, intelligence, and sheer determination. From every corner of the world, champions have gathered in one place, knowing that this is the fiercest competition of them all. From Europe to Asia, from the Americas to the Middle East, the finest pigeon racers have come to prove themselves on this legendary stage. They know that this is no ordinary race. This is the battleground of champions. Pyramids 1 Loft Race Champions. With every beat of their wings, a battle begins. Long distances, fierce competition, and an unforgiving course. And the victory? It's more than just glory. It's an entry into the elite world of pigeon racing. The rewards? Unbelievable. And the journey doesn't end here. 300,000 euros in cash and 3 cars. Is your pigeon the next champion? Do you have what it takes to enter the legend? You are in for the biggest event in pigeon racing. Pyramids 1 Loft Race.